Looks like Clay, my building manager, is heading up here with the snow blower. This is Washington Street, Denver, Colorado. It's totally abandoned. This is one of the major streets. I can't even go up the sidewalk to get to my car. Okay, let's try another way. Seems like since there's no one on the streets, I'll just walk in the street. Other people walking in the streets. Tree limbs are getting pretty heavy. They just might break. Wow. Okay, this is a snowdrift, and there's my parking lot, which I can't get to. But because I am warmly dressed and persistent, okay, I'm going to trudge through the snow. Trudge. Holy crap. Okay, this is way over my knee. This is pretty stupid. Yeah, it's way over my knee. I'm getting up to my car. Eventually, look at the other cars. Oh, this house looks cool. Hopefully you can see the icicles hanging down. Okay. Wow, this qualifies as exercise. And we're coming around my car right now. The only thing visible is the Union Jack on the back side. Holy moly. Okay. It's chilly. I'm the first one over here. And if you can see them, those are my footsteps in the snow. There's my knee-soaked leg. God dang, I can't breathe. Okay. There's my car. Oops, that's me falling. Wow. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere for a while. Okay, battery's still working. Okay, let's see if I can get in the back door. I had to come out the front door because the back door had a drift. Can you see that hanging? Wow. Tons of snow hanging off that porch over there. I have a feeling if they don't knock it off soon, they're probably going to lose that entire porch. Okay. I was told I really shouldn't talk during these things because I sound like an idiot. Especially now that I can't breathe. Okay, and this was the view earlier. And looking up, my balcony is up there. And this was the view I was giving you earlier from the back. Snow is still coming down pretty hard, actually.